Damn.
Hey guys, did you see the tweet from Anton Nell, Fantom's ex-architect, and his colleague Cronje, a prolific developer, where both of them decided to stop contributing to the Fantom Foundation in cryptocurrency space without even giving a reason? Nell and Cronje made this shocking announcement on March 6, 2022. They were both involved in developing a total of 25 apps and services, including Yearn Finance, Keeper Network, and a bunch more. All will cease operations on April 3rd, 2022. This news has had a major impact across the blockchain world, with projects involving Cronje, including Fantom, among others, being questioned by community users. Here you can clearly see the massive risk when the front end is controlled by one individual or even an organization. So what does the fact that the project's front end is down mean to the community? Is that a sign that the project is about to disappear and lose its assets? Hi there, I'm Darren Wheatley from 4EVERLAND. In today's video, I'll be sharing information about how 4EVERLAND's hosting comes to the rescue, especially now in this current situation, by working as a truly decentralized front-end development infrastructure. The blockchain technology has solved the trust problem with smart contracts, Ethernet addresses, and assets. Despite this, blockchain's Web 3.0 paradigm still lacks its crucial link. As a result, most front-end projects are still being deployed through AWS and other centralized providers. A centralized permission-based single-node data service model cannot satisfy our demand for a decentralized application. What can we do if the front end of the DApp we visit has been maliciously altered? Here's the answer. Go for a front-end decentralized hosting solution based on IPFS. The IPFS protocol is emerging as the new standard in the front end of DApp deployments for persistent, distributed storage and file sharing. With IPFS's content addressing technology, a unique identifier, or a CID, is generated for data, and no one can replace or change the data without destroying the CID. This means that when a DApp's front-end code is deployed based on IPFS, all users can determine that the front-end they are using is trusted by the CID. Simply being trustworthy is not enough for an end-user facing DApp. In IPFS, a single node's PIN is clearly not sufficient for high availability, and users all around the world imply the need for global acceleration. This is where 4EVERLAND comes into the picture, or rather, comes to the rescue. 4EVERLAND's hosting builds its data storage and transport layers on the IPFS network and organizes a collection of IPFS nodes into a collaborative, globally distributed storage solution. It also has a gateway service via a unique cryptographic and economically sound model design. This results in a trusted, universally available, and globally accelerated front-end decentralized hosting solution for all DApps. The technical barriers have always been a major roadblock for community users to get fully involved in the project. As people are used to getting services directly from others, the service can also be terminated at any time by those others. In the same way that Cronje chose to stop contributing to the DeFi and cryptocurrency space, meaning all the front ends are discontinued, the services users have to access will also cease. Even though we have other options, this means we will eventually lose access to these services due to the cessation of other options. Obviously, this is not the best solution. You could let everyone deploy a DApp front end for themselves, and then they could decide when to stop the service, which would be very decentralized. 4EVERLAND offers this service to all users without having any technical capabilities. Users can choose a template or fork any project's open source front end code at 4EVERLAND hosting, and quickly deploy a set of front end code with a single page click. It can take as little as 30 seconds. Open source is a simple and common thing in the blockchain world, and as Anton Nell stated, the code they created is open source, so they urge and welcome the community to install these services on their own. What is 4EVERLAND hosting? Well, 4EVERLAND hosting is an IPFS-based D-Web service that was officially launched in August 2021. Today it offers ENS and IPNS support, which enables users to deploy, access, and manage IPFS sites through the visual interface or the command line. It also provides services such as persistent storage and global network acceleration. Currently has more than 30,000 applications. 4EVERLAND's tech team has built and included the open source code for the project affected by the Cronje event so that anyone can fork and deploy it instantly. We continue to update this list, and if you have any questions or recommendations, please join our Discord channel to ask them. We hope you will make use of our services and experience a truly decentralized Web3 infrastructure, the only way forward. I'm Darren Wheatley. Thanks for watching.
Damn.